All right, I've been driving a Toyota Tundra probably for the last 15, 20 years. I got a 2007 and a 2020. So I go and get my maintenance done, the tire rotation, and also they change the oil. But I'm gonna show you what they do. They actually send you videos and reports while they're doing it. It's awesome. You don't see too many places do that, sending you a video of them actually changing the oil, actually doing the inspection, and showing you all the little things that you got going wrong. Check this out. Check out the video that they sent me. I'm telling you, I love their service department. They send you a text message, and you see right here, I'm getting my vehicle serviced today, and they actually send you a video of them servicing the vehicle. Check this out. I'm gonna click on it, and it goes to the website here. But right here, check this out. I got my vehicle in there. I'm gonna hit play. And as you can see, they
Good morning. My name is Babin, your certified Toyota technician working on your Toyota Care oil change tire rotation. We're going to start the inspection off underneath your hood. Went ahead and topped off washer fluid. Inspected both air filter and cabin filter. They do both fail inspection today. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend both. They both are dirty. We also went ahead and tested your battery. Your battery passed battery test. With failed inspection, you do have quite a bit of corrosion forming on your battery terminals. A battery service will clean that up and help prevent future corrosion. Now, I do have a couple preventative maintenance items due for you, due by mileage, such as a brake flush, a coolant flush, power steering flush, an AC deodorizer, a complete fuel system service, an oil additive, and a spark plug or a spark plug replacement or tune-up. Those are all items we could definitely take care of today if you'd like. Now with your vehicle in the air, we can inspect brakes, tires, suspension components, and inspect the vehicle for leaks. Starting with your passenger front tire. Passenger front tire passed at 11:30 seconds. Passenger rear passed at 10:30 seconds. Driver rear passed out in 11:30 seconds. And driver front passed out at 12:30 seconds. I am noticing quite a bit of dog tracking going on. That is due to improperly balanced tires. You can see my fingers bounce. That's uneven tire tread. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend a balance. Your front brakes passed at 8 millimeters. Your rear brakes passed at 9 millimeters. That's for underneath. Well, I do have a couple preventative maintenance items due, such as a rear differential flush, a transfer case flush, and a front differential flush. Those are some items we could definitely take care of today if you'd like. With that, everything else passes inspection. No cracks, no tears, no leaks of any kind. Nothing torn, nothing hanging. So if you have any questions, please get with your service advisor. Appreciate your business and I hope you had an excellent experience here at Space City Toyota. Thank you.
As you see, I watched the video earlier, but it also, if you hit this view inspection results, check this out. I'm gonna click that and you hit view and look at this. It also tells you like your tires, give you detailed information on what you need to do, like the inspect air cleaner elements, so it checks everything off. So I really like their service, man, because I've seen some places say they do things and they really don't do it, but you actually got videos and detailed information. This at Space City Toyota here in Humble, Texas, Houston, Texas. All right, you guys have a great day.